Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Good morning. How are you? I hope all of you are fine, happy and healthy with your family. Today we will continue our PDPR session, and for today's lesson we are going to learn about Malaysia. Okay, so for today's lesson you have to prepare your textbook and your module. The module that I gave, the previous module that we've used. Okay, open if you have your T4, okay, 134. Today we're going to learn about Malaysia. Okay, are you ready? Okay, I hope all of you are ready. Okay, before we start our lesson, we look at the vocabulary that we will learn. Okay, first one, million. What is million? Look at the number 1,000,000,000. Million is juta. Okay, million ni juta. Ni sejuta. Million juta. A million sejuta. 2 million 2 juta. Like that. Next, flag. What is flag? I think all of you know what is this. Flag is bendera. Okay, look at the words, other words. Crescent. What is crescent? This one. The one that looks like C. Okay, bulan sabit. Crescent is bulan sabit. Okay. Canton. Canton is this box here. Petak ni, Canton. And stripe is the red and white. Okay. Jalo. Stripe jalo ataupun belang. Okay, and the last word we will learn is hibiscus. Okay, what flower is this? This is bunga raya. Okay, you've learned the vocabulary. Now let's read the passage, the text. Okay, Malaysia. Malaysia is home to about 32 million people. There are many Malay, Chinese and Indian people, as well as Ibans, Kadazans and Punjabis. They've all got different customs, traditions and languages too. Of course, they all have something in common. They are proud to be Malaysian. This is why every year on 31st August, they celebrate Independence Day or Hari Merdeka all together. On that day, everyone can enjoy colorful parades and fireworks. The streets are full of people and Malaysian flags. The Malaysian flag has got 14 stripes and a blue canton with a yellow crescent, as well as a star with 14 points. The number 14 is a symbol of unity between the 13 states of Malaysia and the federal territories of Kuala Lumpur, Putrajaya and Labuan. The flag has got a nickname too, Stripes of Glory or Jalur Gemilang. The national animal of Malaysia is the Malayan tiger. It's strong and brave, like the Malaysian people. Like the flag, the Malayan tiger has got a nickname too, Uncle Stripes or Pak Belang. The national flower of the country is the hibiscus. Its red flower is a symbol of courage and life. The Malaysian people respect each other and are proud of their country. Okay, that is the text. It's quite long. Okay, now I will explain the text to you. Malaysia is home to about 32 million people. Malaysia adalah rumah untuk 32 juta orang. Okay. There are many Malay, Chinese and Indian people. Terdapat ramai Malay, orang Melayu, Chinese, orang Cina and Indian people dan orang India. As well as Ibans, Kadazans and Punjabis. Dan juga ada juga orang Iban, Kadazan dan Punjabi. They've all got different customs. Mereka semua ada budaya yang berbeza. Custom is budaya, budaya yang berbeza. Tradition, tradisi and languages too, dan bahasa yang berbeza. Of course, they all have something in common. Sudah tentu mereka semua ada sesuatu yang sama. In common maksudnya persamaan. Okay? They are proud to be Malaysian. Mereka semua bangga menjadi rakyat Malaysia. This is why every year on 31 August, inilah sebab kenapa setiap tahun pada 31 Ogos, they celebrate Independence Day. Mereka menyambut Hari Merdeka. Okay? Independence Day or Hari Merdeka all together. Bersama-sama. On that day, pada hari tersebut, Everyone can enjoy colorful parades and fireworks. Semua orang boleh menikmati colorful parades, perarakan yang berwarna-warni, pembarisan yang berwarna-warni, and fireworks, dan bunga api. The streets are full of people. Jalan-jalan semua penuh dengan orang, and Malaysian flags. Dan juga bendera Malaysia ada gantung-gantung tepi jalan semula. The Malaysian flag has got 14 stripes. Bendera Malaysia ada 14 belang. And a blue canton with a yellow crescent. Dan petak biru dengan bulan sabit yang berwarna kuning. As well as a star with 14 points. Dan juga ada bintang berbucuk 14. Okay, bintang pecah 14. The number 14 is a symbol of unity. Nombor 14 tu melambangkan perpaduan. Unity is perpaduan. Antara apa? Between the 13 states of Malaysia, di antara 13 negeri di Malaysia, and the federal territories. Dan juga wilayah persekutuan of Kuala Lumpur, Putrajaya and Labuan. Kuala Lumpur, Putrajaya, Labuan, kita tak panggil negeri. Mereka adalah wilayah persekutuan. Okay. The flag has got a nickname too. Okay. Bendera ni pun ada nickname, nama gelaran. Stripes of Glory or Jalur Gemilang. Okay. Namanya Jalur Gemilang lah yang biasa kita panggil. The national animal of Malaysia is the Malayan tiger. Okay. Haiwan kebangsaan. Okay. Simbol Malaysia adalah Malayan tiger. Harimau Malaya. Kan biasa kita dengar harimau Malaya. Lagi-lagi kalau kita tengok bola, harimau Malaya, harimau Malaya. Inilah harimau, haiwan kebangsaan kita, harimau Malaya. Okay. Kalau Singapura, haiwan kebangsaannya singa lah. Okay. Kalau China, panda. Malaysia, harimau Malaya. It's strong and brave. Ia kuat dan berani. Harimau kuat dan berani. Okay. Like the Malaysian people. Seperti rakyat Malaysia. Like the flag, the Malayan tiger has got a nickname too. Sama macam bendera, harimau Malaya ni ada nama gelarannya juga. Okay. Uncle Stripe or Pak Belang. The national flower of the country is the hibiscus. Bunga kebangsaan kita adalah bunga raya. Okay, bunga raya yang tadi gambar warna merah tu. Kalau Singapura, bunga kebangsaannya bunga orchid. Kita bunga raya. Its red color is a symbol of courage and life. Warna merahnya adalah lambang keberanian, courage, keberanian, and life, dan kehidupan. Life, kehidupan. The Malaysian people respect each other and are proud of their country. Rakyat Malaysia semuanya menghormati antara satu sama lain dan bangga dengan negara mereka. Okay. These are the texts that you have read just now. Okay, what can we learn from the text? Well, the values. Okay, nilai murni. Accept each other's differences and similarities. Kita perlu terima masing-masing punya perbezaan dan persamaan. This brings peace and happiness for all. Ianya akan membawa keamanan dan kegembiraan untuk semua. Kalau kita boleh terima dengan orang lain punya perbezaan, kita akan hidup aman damai, tak ada gaduh-gaduh. Okay. Other value is believe in your country, percaya dengan negara anda, and help it achieve its goal, dan bantulah ia mencapai matlamatnya. Okay, contoh kalau dulu kita ada wawasan 2020. Okay. Sekarang kita ada wawasan kemakmuran bersama 2030. Okay, kita kena bantulah dengan apa cara yang kita mampu untuk mencapai wawasan tersebut. Okay, that's all for the text. Okay, your work is to answer this question in your module. There are 6 questions. Okay, you can refer all of these, have the answer you can find in the text. Okay, how many people live in Malaysia? We've read just now. When can you see a lot of Malaysian flags in the street? How many stripes are there on the Malaysian flag? What is the nickname of the Malaysian flag? What other name has the Malayan tiger got? What is the color of the hibiscus a symbol of? Yang last ni agak berbelit. Okay. Soalannya, apakah maksud warna bunga raya tu? Itulah nombor 6. Yang lain semua soalannya agak direct. Okay. I'm sure you can understand the other question. Okay, this is your task for today. I hope you can do this task. And when you are done, you can PM me or you can fill in the Google form. I will give the answer later. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you can do this task, and if you have problem, you can PM me. Okay, that's all. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, take care, goodbye. See you again.